Magandang araw mga pre, mayong adlaw pod sa mga Bisaya diha. Bago natin simulan, kung bago ka pa lang napadaan sa aking munting tahanan, pasuporta naman, click mo lang ang subscribe button at notification bell button. Palike na rin ng video para lagi kang updated sa mga bago kong uploads. Manny Pacquiao, ang nag-iisa at natatanging 8th Division World Champion. Sa dami ng kalabang pinabagsak niya, ay pag-usapan natin ang 7 boxer na nakasagupa niya na may undefeated record at siya ang pinakaunang nagmansya sa walang dungis nilang kartada. Number 7, Seung Kwon Chai versus Manny Pacquiao. Nangyari ito noong June 28, 2000 sa Araneta Coliseum para ito sa pagdepensa ni Manny Pacquiao sa kanyang WBC International Super Bantamweight title. Sa laban ay bitbit ng Koreano ang kartadang 23 wins, 0 loss at 18 dito via knockout, habang si Manny Pacquiao ay may boxing record na 28 wins, 2 losses at 19 dito via knockout. Pero ang laban ay tila hindi pinagpawisan si Pacman. Unang round pa lang bagsak na ang undefeated na kalaban.
The body of Seung Kwon Chai. Good combination there. Seung Kwon Chai, napakaiksi ng mga suntok pero ang lalakas. Look at that. Tumama na naman yung kanan ni Seung Kwon Chai at pumapasok si Manny Pacquiao. Somebody must have taught him a lesson before coming to the Philippines. A furious exchange of punches here. So is Seung Kwon Chai. Pupunta na sa katawan. And up. A big uppercut by Manny Pacquiao. It was a left uppercut. That hit Seung Kwon Chai. And it's all over. Manny Pacquiao. Incredible. Manny Pacquiao with the right. And another left to body.
Watch out for the left uppercut.
And then the left uppercut. That was the punch. Ay, hindi pa yun. Yun, sumama. Isang kanan.
Panalo si Manny Pacquiao via first round TKO. Number 6, Nidal Hussein versus Manny Pacquiao. Nangyari ito noong October 14, 2000 sa Inaris Sports Center para ulit sa pagdepensa ni Pacman sa kanyang WBC International Super Bantamweight title. Bit-bit ni Hussein ang record na 19 wins, 0 loss at 11 dito via knockout, habang si Manny Pacquiao naman ay may 29 wins, 2 losses at 20 via knockout. Pero di naging madali ang laban dahil sa tigasin din itong undefeated boxer na taga-Australia. Round 4, bagsak si Manny Pacquiao.
Yan ang favorite tactic ni Hussein partner. He twirls his opponent around so that he has an advantage.
Tinamaan yun! That was a punch! Bumagsak si Manny! Ayan, bumagsak po si Manny Pacquiao here in round number 4. Manny Pacquiao unawares. He was given the 8 count. Malakas yun.
Pero bumangon at patuloy na lumaban sa harap ng kanyang mga kababayan.
Sa round number 4, umaatras si Manny Pacquiao. Pinupuno ko yun.
Hussein is coming in for the kill. Delikado si Manny, mga kaibigan.
Hinahabol nila yun. Oh, good right by Hussein. Hilo pa rin si Manny Pacquiao.
Papatumawak muna si Manny.
Yan, lumayakap si Manny Pacquiao. Pero hindi na Pacquiao.
Pero partner, nabigyan ng, again, the shoulder. Gumagabit ang shoulder at saka siko, ito si Nidal Hussein.
Saan pa lang kinito eh. Yung kaliwa nitong si Nidal Hussein, if you look at the wife of Manny Pacquiao, sabi mo nga, she's 5 months on the way. Ano right by Manny Pacquiao? Saan pa rin? Kaya sinusugot ko din yan. Dubo-dubo na naman yung tila ni Nidal Hussein. Sabi, hindi na raw pwede. Tinigil.
Tinigil na.
Tinigil.
Tinigil na yung laban.
Nagreklamo si Fenix. Nagreklamo yung kampo ni Hussein, nagreklamo.
Panalo si Manny Pacquiao dito via 10th round TKO, habang ang kalabang Australiano ay namarkahan ang malinis na kartada nito. Number 5, Emmanuel Lucero versus Manny Pacquiao. Nangyari ito noong July 26, 2013 sa Amerika. Bit-bit ng Meksikano na si Lucero ang malinis na boxing record na 21 wins, 0 loss, 1 draw at 12 dito via KO, habang si Pacquiao ay may record na 36 wins, 2 losses, 1 draw, 27 via KO. Ang laban ay para sa pagdepensa ni Manny Pacquiao sa kanyang titulo na IBF World Super Bantamweight title. Pero di tumagal ang laban, dinispat sa agad ni Pacman ang undefeated na Mexican. Panalo siya via 3rd round TKO at namansahan naman ang kartada nitong Meksikano.
It may look impressive the way he swings. I don't think it's going to hurt Pacquiao because you can see it coming.
2 rounds here. Feeling as though he's in control against Emmanuel Lucero. And after that punch,
Good punch. Good.
he is totally in control, and the referee instantly stops the fight.
He was out on the point of the jaw.
Jose Kobe, LA. You can see there's the left hand that starts to Lucero standing up.
He never saw the punch coming. He was too low to even see it coming. He thought he was probably out of danger by getting that low.
Gives you a pretty good idea as to how heavy are Manny Pacquiao's hands.
Yes, and it's good focus and concentration too.
Number 4, Jorge Solis versus Manny Pacquiao. Naganap ang laban noong April 14, 2007 sa Alamodome, Texas. Bit-bit ng Meksikano ang malinis na boxing record na 34 wins, 0 loss, 2 draws at 25 dito via knockout, habang si Pacman ay may record din na 43 wins, 3 losses, 2 draws at 33 dito via knockout. Pero sa mismong bakbakan, kahit may katangkaran itong challenger na Mexican, ay di ito inatrasan ni Pacman. Tinalo niya ito via 8-round KO. Nadipinsahan ulit ni Manny Pacquiao ang titulo at nadungisan ang undefeated na record ng kalabang Mexican.
12-rounder and lands. The fight was stopped in the third round. It was in clash of heads in the cut, but Soto had
Manny against Soto because Soto is a monster. Good straight to the right.
Here comes Solis.
You know that this did have an impact. This didn't have an impact because in a way it takes away.
If they had to. Oh, big right hook by Pacquiao to left hand, and Solis is in some trouble. Excuse me, I said the fifth, I meant the sixth.
This is now the Pacquiao that I think everybody expected to see.
And this is what I expected to see. Solis right here trying to avoid.
That clash of heads and the cut over the eye woke up Manny Pacquiao. He had subplots. A clash of heads created a cut in round 6 over the eye.
You know, and I think they've run out of ideas in Solis' corner. Gennaro, you know, we were up listening, and they've invoked the family.
He's in trouble, and down goes.
There goes that uppercut again. He's hurt. He's out. It's it. It's over.
Solis sent down. He is on the apron of the ring.
He's not gonna beat the count. He's not gonna beat the count.
Manny Pacquiao.
Number 3, Timothy Bradley versus Manny Pacquiao 2. Matatanda ang controversial na natalo si Pacquiao kay undefeated Timothy Bradley sa kanilang unang tagpo, pero sa rematch na ginawa noong April 12, 2014 sa MGM Arena ay pinatunayan ni Pacman na siya ang mas magaling sa kanilang salpukan. Bit-bit ni Bradley ang malinis na record na 31 wins, 0 loss, 12 dito via knockout, habang si Manny Pacquiao ay may record na 55 wins, 5 losses, 2 draws, 38 dito via KO. Panalo si Pacquiao sa kanilang pangalawang tagpo. Nakuha niya ang pinahiram na WBO welterweight na titulo kay Calvo, habang namarkahan naman sa kauna-unahang pagkakataon ang kartada nitong si Bradley.
Really careful of the hip. Good hard left hand by the Pacquiao rush. Another left hand by Pacquiao.
20 punches before most guys can respond. Now it's just a different kind of fight.
Pacquiao fighting more confidently now in round number 7.
Oh, that was.
By Pacquiao. Thunderous shot there.
Oh, that
Another
was
hard
good.
right there.
That fight.
Here, he thought he was hurt. He threw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 punches in the concession.
Number 2, Chris Algieri versus Manny Pacquiao. Naganap ang laban sa Macau noong November 23, 2014. Bit-bit ng Amerikanong challenger na si Algieri ang malinis na kartada na 20 wins, 0 loss at 8 dito via knockout, habang si Manny Pacquiao naman ay may record na 56 wins, 5 losses, 2 draws, 38 via KO. Ang laban ay para ulit sa pagdipinsa ni Manny Pacquiao sa kanyang WBO na titulo, bagamat mas matangkad itong Amerikano at dating WBO light welterweight champion din ito, ay di ito naging hadlang para ito ay pabagsakin at matalo ng ating pambansang kamao. Maraming beses bumagsak si Algieri sa laban nila, pero dahil sa patakbo-takbo na style ni Algieri ay nakasurvive siya sa mga knockdown at natapos ang laban sa 12 round. Panalo pa rin si Manny Pacquiao via 12 round lopsided unanimous decision, at nalasap naman ng Amerikanong si Algieri ang kauna-unahang talo sa kanyang karera.
Round 10?
Round 10 or 11.
He's still time against Tim Bradley. Now against Algieri.
There's the 6th knockdown. Power. A lot of Pacquiao.
Still WBO welterweight champion of the world.
Number 1, Keith Thurman versus Manny Pacquiao. Nangyari ang laban ng di makakalimutang trash talker at undefeated na kalaban ni Manny Pacquiao noong July 20, 2019 sa MGM Arena. Bit-bit ni Keith Thurman ang impresibong kartada na 29 wins, 0 loss, 22 via KO. Habang itong si Manny Pacquiao ay dala-dala ang kartada na 61 wins, 7 losses, 2 draws, 39 via knockout. Ang laban ay para sa pagdipinsa ni Thurman sa kanyang WBA Super World Welterweight title. Bago ang nasabing nakakasabik na salpukan ay sandamakmak na trash talk muna ang binitawan ni Thurman para kay Pacman. Sa mga interview at press con pa lang ay knockout na si Manny Pacquiao. Pero sa mismong laban ay kabaliktaran ang naging resulta na inaasahan. Kahit kilalang kilabot na knockout artist itong si Keith, one-time Thurman sa division at kinakatakutang champion, ay di ito inatrasan ni Pacman. Hinarap ng mas matandang alamat itong batang kampiyon sa isang laban na ikinagulat ng karamihan. Unang round pa lang bagsak na ang hambog na si Thurman.
Manny Pacquiao. Oh, down goes Thurman! And let me tell you, that...
Bagamat natapos ang laban nila sa 12 rounds, ay makikitang angat talaga ang galing ng ating pambansang kamao. Mas makikitang nasaktan itong si Thurman sa mga suntok na di niya inasahan mula sa mas matandang si Pacman.
Always precedes and oh boy, there's a headbutt. Either that or a punch, but it may...
Panalo si Pacquiao sa kanilang laban via 12 round split decision. Nakuha ang titulo at namarkahan naman ang malinis na record itong hambog na kalaban na si Keith, one-time Thurman. Ito ang 7 laban ni Pacman na siya ang pinakaunang nagmarka sa kanilang malinis at walang bahid na kartada. Kung may pang-8 na mamarkahan ang ating pambansang kamao, sinong undefeated kaya ito? Mestizo o Negro? Ano sa palagay mo? Ang inyong komento, reaksyon at suggestion ay welcome na welcome sa baba. Maraming salamat sa panonood at suporta mga pre. As always, amping permi.